Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to create a fillable PDF form inside Jotform. So let's just begin. So we can actually do that now. First of all, let's just say you create a new form, and let's just say you start from scratch, new classic form, and I'm going to be adding a few elements inside my form. Let's just say I add a heading on top, simply drag and drop, full name field, then we have address field, and finally we need a signature field, right? So these are the things that we need. We can also rename it, so let's just say we can call it PDF, and we can publish it, and this is something else. Now to download this as a fillable, what you need to do is simply head over to this PDF option, download fillable PDF, and here as you can see we can easily now download that we just created. So you need to click on this download option, and of course it is going to be costing you, so you are needing to upgrade your plan. For that, you can head over to the link in the description to get 50% off, and that will be unlocking these amazing features to make your fillable PDF form. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.